Hello everyone, this is another hairstyle tutorial. It's a simple hairstyle. It's something you can do by yourself at home. It's DIY. And what you're going to do is part your hair into two, part it from the middle side, part it into two, and just comb it. Then you pack one side around. I'm using this gel. This is the gel I'm applying. You can apply it little by little. Just apply the elastic band, use it to tie it. Make sure it's very tight. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, we'll continue. Get a brush, brush it. Make sure you use your hand to smoothing it along with you brushing it. Just continue, make sure you brush it very well. Then you do the other side as well. Apply gel from to the other side. Just use your hand to smoothen it. Just continue doing it. You're going to get it right. Yes, don't be in a haste. Just take your time to do it. Get an elastic band and then tie it up, brush it. Just use your hand to support it by using your hand to smoothen it along as you're brushing it. Just continue it. It's going to come out voila. Let's continue. Get a blade extension. Then you get a small rubber band. Then use it to. You can see what I'm doing though. You can see what I'm doing. This is it. You just pack it up. Then you take out the pieces from the extension and blade it. Take a little out of the extension, just blade it. Yeah, just blade it. Make sure it's not too tight. Then you use it to wrap it down. It's just to beautify it, to beautify the down part. That's why we are doing that. Just wrap it around. Make sure it's very tight. Then you brush it. You use your hand to adjust the natural hair inside. Now this is the outcome. Voila, I hope you like it. But this is not the only one. We're going to continue to style this hair. You can create it in different style. We are going to just twist the hair, and that is it. There's a second hairstyle with the same hairs. You can see it, and this is the third one. You can actually style it like this. It's very beautiful. It's easy to style. You can see there's the third one. Is beautiful. You can decide to style it in any way you want, and there's the third one. You can see it's beautiful. Wow. And we are going to the fourth style. We still have to wait. You can still create it in another way. Look. It's very beautiful. It's a simple hairstyle, and you can come out with 4 different hairstyles on it. You can see it's very beautiful. That is it. Thank you all. Bye.